Coming up on tonight's Look East, and the children in Essex learning about the holy month of Ramadan.
And we'll be here at this Essex Junior School where pupils have had an assembly with a difference, a morning of culture where they've been learning all about Ramadan, which starts today.
Thanks for joining us. Now, the holy month of Ramadan began this morning. It's when Muslims abstain from eating and drinking from before dawn until sunset. It's a period of prayer, reflection and community which lasts until the 9th of April. Today at Baddow Hall Junior School in Essex, children got a chance to learn all about it.
Your waist, that's your clue on which country that's from.
A school assembly with a difference. These pupils at Baddow Hall Junior School have been learning all about Ramadan and Eid and why it's so much more than just going without food and water.
It's very, very important really to tell other pupils about this month so they can understand others who, for example, maybe in their class or in their school. We live in a multicultural world, multi-faith world at the end of the day, especially here in Essex. And it's important really to understand other people's cultures and faiths to break down barriers.
With the help of musical instruments and props, the pupils learned why this holy month is so important. Some of them, like Leanne, are taking part in Ramadan themselves.
Like fascinating because they finally get to know what Islam is about.
So how important is that to you to know that your friends now know a bit more about Islam?
Very important to me.
My best friend, he's Muslim, and I didn't really know that much about it. I just knew that they fast.
I've learned quite a lot about Ramadan and how they fast to show you that whenever the poor don't have much food, they can help realise how it feels to be like that.
I knew a bit about the fasting, but I didn't actually know why they fasted, but obviously because of the assembly I now know.
Me and Harley were doing a melody together, and that makes a noise. We have to do it on the night that the next day would be, to remind everyone that it would be the special day.
Fantastic, so you've learnt a lot this morning then?
Yeah, it's really fun.
It's great when we can invite members of our local community to come in and share what they believe in. It adds a real level of authenticity to what we share with the children and with staff, and yes, we're always learning.
The assembly over, pupils head back to lessons, but Ramadan itself has just begun. It runs until the 9th of April. Stuart Woodward, BBC Look East, Great Baddow.
Oh, and thanks to the school for letting us come and film that. That's all for now. Alex will have your late news at 10:30. Have a very good evening. Goodbye.